welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the paper fleet puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to pack the ships inside of both trays. There are actually two goals here. The first one is to put 7 out of 9 ships into a smaller tray. And as you can see, we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside. Maybe you'll find space for the 6th one, but there is not enough space for all 7 of them. There is only one solution for this tray, and if you're done with that, you can try to put all 9 ships inside of this frame. There are 3 solutions available for this one, but when you start solving, you will find that you can easily put, let's see how many. I can put 8 ships inside. No, I can't put 8 inside. I can put 7 inside. There is not enough. Oh, there is space for 8, and there is not enough for the last piece. And you have to find at least 3 solutions to this puzzle. If you like the paper fleet puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So I'll start with a smaller tray. It has only one solution. If you take a closer look at the side, you will find that there is a name of the puzzle, Paper Fleet. And here it shows number 7 and a small symbol of the ship. So we have to pack 7 into this tray. So we will start with one that goes right here. The other one goes on the bottom. Then you add one more next to them. Looks pretty tight, but we have this space left here. Then one goes on top, and then there is a sheet that we can put right here. Another one goes right in here, and it seems like there is not enough space, but we can put one part inside, and there are 7 ships inside of this tray. That is the solution of the smaller tray. But now we move to the larger one. I will show you one of 3 solutions just to give you an opportunity to find other 2 solutions by yourself. So 2 goes here, then we add 1 ship right here, another one will go right here, then we grab another ship and put it right into this spot, another one goes here, we can add 1 more ship right here on the bottom. There is space right here in the middle for 1 more, and as you can see, you can clearly see there is a space for 1 more ship. You put it here, and the bigger tray is assembled as well. And that was the solution for the paper fleet puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Alexander Majoric, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.